Hello everyone, I am Beaver. I am a unicorn in the metal sawing industry. This is my baby. He specializes in cutting stainless steel. He is very fast. He only needs 18 seconds to cut a stainless steel round bar with a diameter of 70 millimeters. His owner calls him Lightning. You can listen to his voice. I am Beaver. I am a unicorn in the metal processing industry. I have many babies. They all have special skills. Who is my next baby? Where will he travel and adventure? What are his characteristics? What can he do? And in which country will he work? I will tell you as soon as possible.